evening, students. This video is for pre-9th class, chapter number 3 of physics. Students, you know that nowadays we are talking about friction, which is a force that opposes the motion of body, which we have discussed in last lecture. Students, today we will discuss why friction opposes motion. We know that smooth surface offers less resistance and a rough surface offers more resistance. Because smooth surface is smooth, easily one block can slide over the other block because both are smooth. But rough surfaces, they have bumps and pits. That's why they offer more resistance, and even smooth surfaces also offer resistance but less. Why? Because when we see this smooth surface under microscope, we can see that smooth surface also has bumps and pits. These uplifted areas are called bumps and these depressions are called pits. So when even surface is smooth or rough, that offer resistance. So these two surfaces, contact between these two sliding surfaces are called cold welds, and these points are called cold welds, and these points offer resistance. For example, when body is moving, and these cold welds, they offer resistance against the flow of block. So this resistance opposes the motion of body, so body comes to rest or body feels difficulty in movement. So it means that when the pressing force is more, then these cold welds offer more resistance, so there is more friction. Or we can say that if pressing force is less, then these cold welds offer less resistance and there is less friction. So it means that resistance and pressing force, if pressing force is more resistance, or we can say that more friction. So ultimately we can say that pressing force is directly proportional to friction, which also we have discussed that the two factors that affect the friction, one of them was pressing force. Or if pressing force is more, friction is more, pressing force is less, then friction is less. So it is all about that why friction opposes motion. Thank you.